Guys, hear me out. I know my videos are not very visually appealing and there's nothing to hold you on to them, but the advice I give here and the experiences I share here are genuinely going to help you. They're going to help you learn something and they're going to teach you on what not to do and what to do. एंड सी तुम अगर अपने आप को अकस्टम कर लो कि तुम सिर्फ विजुअली अपीलिंग और अट्रैक्टिव चीज़ों पर ही ध्यान दोगे देन इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ रियल प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू, क्योंकि फ्यूचर में तो ऐसी चीज़ें तुम्हें नहीं मिलेंगे, लाइक यू वॉन्ट इवन गेट वन ऑफ देम प्रॉबली. तो इसलिए यू शुड जस्ट क्लोज योर आइज. यू डोंट इवन नीड टू वॉच वॉट आई एम शोइंग यू बिकॉज I'm just showing you for no reason. Just hear me out, okay? Because what I've got to say is actually going to help you. Don't be such a craze, like don't have such a craze for visually appealing stuff. It's not going to take you anywhere. I know this was very harsh, but I had to say this to you क्योंकि मेरे videos में कम views, कम likes, like no likes, कम views and सिर्फ 2 subscribers on my channel का main reason यही है, and I know it. It's because I don't give visually attractive stuff. The day I start giving that ना तुम सब यही बैठ कर you'll even watch me brushing my teeth if it looks attractive to you, even though that's not going to teach you anything. Brushing your teeth was something you should have learned when you were like the age of 2. तो इसलिए just hear me out because what I've got to say is actually going to help you. Now let me start the video. I'm really sorry if I was rude and I didn't say hello. So hello everyone, but I had to tell you about this. I'm sorry if it was harsh, but at the same time I'm not sorry because it's necessary for you to learn this. Anyway, this video is going to be about the mistakes I have made in my Akash and Alan tests and the score of my Akash NEET test. तो ये टेस्ट कल था and इसमें मैंने काफ़ी ओके स्कोर किया है according to me. See, in physics I have scored 180 out of 180, which I'm happy with. Chemistry में I have scored 170 out of 180. And see, the only 2 questions I made like mistakes in chemistry were like from periodic classification. वो chapter मेरा काफ़ी weak है and compared to last time when I scored only 160, this is much better. Like I have not made as many mistakes, but still I have to improve over there as well क्योंकि I have to grab as many marks as I can in physics and chemistry because those 2 are stronger than my bio. Now coming to bio, I have scored only 145 out of 180 in botany and I've made one silly mistake here, so I could have easily scored 150 but I messed up. And in zoology I have scored 160 out of 180. Here also I made a silly mistake. मुझे 165 आ सकते थे and my total could have been 665 but I messed up and इसके कारण से my total is only 655. Anyway, so silly mistakes reduce करना should be my first priority, followed by focusing on improving my periodic classification further. क्योंकि बहुत लोग हैं मेरे बैच में, दूसरे बैचेस में जिनको इस टेस्ट में फुल आया है. They have got 720. It was not a very tough test, and even though I have improved, the improvement is not that great. Now coming to the second part, which is where exactly my problem lies and what exactly are my strengths. So 1 महीने classes के बाद what I have realized is, see, physics is my strongest subject as of now. मतलब physics में वैसे physics से related exactly कुछ तो पढ़ाया नहीं गया है अभी तक. It's mostly been basic maths. It has been only basic maths, but it has still been my strongest subject. Now coming to chemistry, it's second strongest. Then third is math and fourth is bio. Now many of you may be thinking कि भैया बायो में तो तुम्हें मतलब बायो में तो तुम्हें ज़्यादा आते हैं कंपेयर टू मैथ्स, देन हाउ इज़ मैथ्स स्ट्रॉन्गर देन बायो. सो गाइज, वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स आई हैव टू टेल यू इज ओवर हियर, स्टॉप लुकिंग एट योर रॉ स्कोर. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक्स यू आर मेकिंग. स्टॉप लुकिंग एट योर रॉ स्कोर, लुक एट योर कंपैरेटिव स्कोर. अगर तुम्हारे कोचिंग में परसेंटाइल या रैंक्स देते हैं सब्जेक्ट वाइज, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, टोटल रैंक वोंट हेल्प यू दैट मच कंपेयर टू सब्जेक्ट वाइज रैंक्स. जैसे एलन और आकाश दोनों में ही आई एम गेटिंग सब्जेक्ट वाइज परसेंटाइल एंड रैंक्स, तो वहाँ से यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर एग्जैक्टली यू स्टैंड. ओके, क्योंकि मे बी जैसे मैथ्स में माई रॉ स्कोर इज़ वे लेसर कंपेयर टू बायो, बट परसेंटाइल हायर है, मतलब ज़्यादा लोगों को टफ लग रहा है वो चीज़. that means my math is better than my bio. This is the way you should analyze stuff, not by looking at raw score. 10th तक ऐसी चीज़ें चलते थे, but this doesn't work out in 11th and 12th, and if you're doing this, you're making one of the biggest mistakes here. Secondly, coming to my Allen के पेपर का मतलब पेपर 1 जो ऑफलाइन हुआ था, आई नो कि मैंने इसके बारे में काफ़ी बातें की है, बट आई डिड नॉट हैव द गट्स टू एनालाइज माई मैथ मिस्टेक्स, क्योंकि इतने कम आए थे, लाइक देयर वर मोर मिस्टेक्स देन करेक्ट क्वेश्चंस. बट आज मैं बैठ के आई ट्राई टू सॉल्व ऑल द क्वेश्चंस विच आई स्किप्ड एज वेल, और मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस मुझसे बने नहीं. लाइक आई डिड नॉट लुक एट द सोल्यूशन बिफोर डूइंग दिस. मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस मुझसे बने नहीं. 2 ऐसे क्वेश्चंस थे जो आसानी से मेरे से हो सकते थे. वेट, आई थिंक दिस इज द रॉन्ग पेपर आई एम शोइंग यू. या I have to show you like major test का पेपर, not minor test का पेपर. Yeah, this is the major test paper. काफ़ी questions तो मुझसे बने नहीं. I did not look at the solution before doing this, but 2 questions थे जो हरी में मैंने छोड़ दिए. Like I was panicking, so I left them even though they were pretty easy and I did them right when I tried them. ये 6th question ऐसा था and I could have gotten 4 marks here. And one such other question was the 4th question over here. It was a very easy question and I could have gotten 4 marks here as well. तो 8 marks मेरे यहीं ऐड हो जाते. Now coming to one silly mistake I noticed I made in math. Like मैंने पहले इसे notice नहीं किया था because I was more upset about my physics के mistakes and even about my chemistry का एक mistake. But now today when I tried to analyze the paper I noticed, see ये जब मैंने किया था ना ये question, I calculated like this: 2a plus 6d divided by 2a plus 11d equal to 6 by 11. But the biggest mistake I made here, फर्स्टली ये 10d होना चाहिए, नॉट 11d, बिकॉज इट्स n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. ये क्वेश्चन में पूछा है द रेशियो ऑफ सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 7 टर्म्स टू सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 11 टर्म्स इज 6:11. सेकेंड मिस्टेक, दे हैव आस्क्ड सम. मैंने 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी तो लिया, बट n/2 लेना भूल गई. आई वॉज इन सच अ हरी and I was panicking so much कि I didn't take n/2 here. So this will be 6/2 into 2a plus 6d. नहीं, एक हाँ 2a 6/2. नहीं, never mind, it's first 7 terms ना. So 7/2 into 2a plus 6d and this one will be 11/2 into 2a plus 10d, not 11d. So let me show you. I calculated it later on. This will be the correct solution. कहाँ गया? Yeah, this will be the correct solution. 7/2 into 2a plus 6d divided by 11/2 into 2a plus 6d equal to 6/11. इस मेथड से करने से you will get the answer very easily. You will get the value of a as 1/56 over here as I have written, which is very dirty. Maybe you're not able to see, but I have. And d का value भी 1/56. Now if you, they have asked, what have they asked? नहीं, ये वाला क्वेश्चन है. नेवर माइंड, व्हाट एम आई इवन डूइंग. ये वाला क्वेश्चन यहाँ है, करेक्ट, और इसको मैंने ऊपर सॉल्व किया है. आई एम सो डम. आई सॉल्व दिस अबव, लाइक मैं रैंडमली सॉल्व करती हूँ. सो इफ़ यू कीप सॉल्विंग दिस गेट्स कैंसल्ड, देन ये उस साइड चले जाता है. यू गेट 7 इंटू 2a plus 6d इक्वल टू, सॉरी, डिवाइडेड बाई 7 इंटू 2a plus 10d इक्वल टू 6/11. नाउ you can take 7/11 that side, 6/11 into 11/7, which becomes 6/7, and you get this in the LHS. You can also take 2 out as common, like it's pretty stupid that I didn't. You can do that, and you will get the final answer as a equal to 90. After that, you can just do, as a is 90, so 90 plus n minus 1 into d, so 90 plus 60. They have asked us for common difference, na? We know that this is मतलब the 7th term ना, and they have told us कि 7th terms lies between 130 and 140. So here we get d equal to 9 through this calculation. So here I could have easily gotten d equal to 9 because of the stupid mistake of not taking n/2 and of being in a hurry, I missed these marks and I also got a negative. तो यहाँ मेरे 5 marks बढ़ जाते. So the 2 questions which I skipped, each of 4 marks plus this of 5 marks, gives me 13 marks more than what I got. So maths में मेरे आए थे 38. If you have seen the last video, if you haven't, I'm telling you now, I got 38. मुझे 51 आते, which is still pretty bad, and my percentile is still lower compared to my other 2 subjects, but this is better. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say for this one, and the next one will be about my second boards, so stay tuned for that too, and stop focusing on visual things. Bye.